Wales, UK, November 4, 2025. A band of intense rain has caused widespread flooding and disruption in many parts of Wales, with more than 20 flood warnings in places across Carmarthenshire, Pembrokeshire and Swansea. Customers at the Gatehouse pub in Cwmbwrla, Swansea had to flee the rising water at around 15:30 Greenwich Mean Time on Tuesday, while there has been widespread transport disruption. Landlady Vicky Sheffield said she has to evacuate after water started coming up from drains, adding, "In 26 years this has never happened before, and now it has happened twice in 6 weeks. It's quite scary." The flooding in Cwmbwrla comes after issues caused by a collapsed culvert first emerged in September. Swansea Council said pumping equipment brought in to alleviate floodwaters at Cwmbwrla roundabout has been overwhelmed. It said a blocked sewer, the responsibility of the recently demolished Cwmbwrla Social Club, is to blame. National Grid isolated power to 400 properties in around the area for safety reasons, but the electricity has since been restored. Flooding caused the suspension of rail service between Whitland and Carmarthen and on the line at Pontarddulais. It comes after the Met Office issued a yellow warning for rain across much of South Wales until 8 o'clock on Wednesday. A Swansea roundabout that flooded so badly that locals swam, fished and paddleboarded around it has flooded again after a day of heavy rain. Cwmbwrla roundabout was submerged by water in September, leading to traffic being diverted for a number of days. Swansea Council carried out work at the site to pump water away from the roundabout, but less than 2 months later a similar issue appears to have happened again. On Tuesday afternoon the roundabout was again submerged, with traffic being diverted and cars becoming stuck in water.
Po prostu wszędzie woda.
And it's getting worse literally by the second. Awful.